My name's Mark Belcher. I'm the Community Services at Henshaws with a lead on digital. We're a charity that have been around for a while, in fact 183 years, and it's all about creating independence for people with visual impairment. We deliver face-to-face services and services that are remote. So we've been working with Fabric for around 2 years, from conception really through to delivering the product in the end. Initially their presentation was the best. They just kind of were down to earth, and I think that's a real good point, because to understand us as a business, they're going to have to get their hands dirty to understand who we are and what we do, and then work out how we currently monitor ourselves and how we want to monitor ourselves in the future. Essentially, we needed a client management system, and we also needed to get upgraded into the Microsoft world. So we invested in Microsoft 365, and part of that project was Dynamics, which was a client management system. If you do things, you've got to have the right tools to be able to say what you've done and why you do it and how often and what's the change, mate. Spreadsheets can only take you so far, and in the end, getting a good, dynamic system for your business is a necessity. So we needed a system that had the ability to change quick, and for us to be able to do that ourselves. Picking a Microsoft product off the shelf, it was so easy for them, and now for us to adjust it for our business needs. It's changed the way we work. Essentially, we had a contact database and too many spreadsheets. And that's how we actually monitored ourselves. And literally within a month, we got rid of one of our complicated spreadsheets, because Dynamics just did it straight away. And we're on a process now of getting rid of a lot. So it's going to save us a lot of time. And then we can do the work that we need to do, delivering services to people with visual impairment, as opposed to reporting on it. It's just got to get faster and slicker and better. And the more time we save on these systems, the more time we can do things.